preference shares. So I have prepared the 25 objectives which are very important from exam point of view. So before doing this objective, I will request to the all students, please see the video on what are the legal provision for redemption of preference shares. All the objective taken from that theory, because that theory is very important. So let's we understand one by one all the objective. So the following statement is true. So which one? Only fully paid up shares can be redeemed. These are the one of the legal provision of the redemption of preference shares. Those are partly paid up, they cannot redeem. If the company want to redeem, that should be fully paid up. So answer is fully paid up. Second, balance. The following balance is not available. Transfer to CRR. General Reserve, Dividend Equivalence Fund and Profit and Loss Account. These are the divisible profit. Revaluation reserve, we cannot be transferred to CRR because that much amount we cannot take this amount for the purpose of redemption of preference shares. General Reserve लेंगे, डिविडेंड इक्विटी फंड लेंगे, प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट लेंगे, लेकिन रिवैल्यूएशन में से हम लोग अमाउंट लेंगे नहीं, तो सीआरआर में ट्रांसफर होने वाला नहीं है. आफ्टर दैट कैपिटल रिडम्पशन रिजर्व अकाउंट कैन बी यूज फॉर पर्पज ऑफ fully paid up bonus shares. If company want to give the bonus shares, for that purpose company can use CRR account. After that, calculate the amount to be transferred to CRR account where redemption preference shares 50,000 redeemable at par and fresh issue of shares is 30,000. This is homework for you. Find out the amount. The exchange preference shares has been redeemed out of profit. Amount equal to the face value of preference shares redeemed should be transferred to CRR. जितना भी प्रॉफिट हम लोग लेते हैं कहाँ से, फॉर द पेमेंट ऑफ रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रिफरेंस शेयर्स आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, दैट हैज टू बी ट्रांसफर्ड टू CRR as per the legal provision of the Companies Act 2013 under section 55. After that, which of the following redeemable preference shares obtained are eligible for redemption? So fully paid up are going to be eligible for the redemption of preference shares, and those are partly paid up, they cannot eligible for the redemption of preference shares. So this 10 is fully paid up, so that is applicable for redemption of preference shares. Company can issue redeemable preference shares dash at par and premium. हम लोग डिस्काउंट में नहीं दे सकते हैं. If the redeemable preference shares are redeemed at the premium amount cannot be provided for out of company security premium account. तो हम लोग ये सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम यूज नहीं करेंगे किसके लिए, फॉर द पेमेंट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी प्रीमियम गिवन टू द रिडम्पशन ऑफ प्रिफरेंस शेयर होल्डर. आफ्टर दैट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अवेलेबल फॉर ट्रांसफर टू CRR? प्रॉफिट विच कैन बी यूज फॉर द CRR. उतना ही पैसा हम लोग कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करते हैं, CRR में ट्रांसफर करते हैं. व्हेन द प्रिफरेंस शेयर्स आर रिडीम आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, द अमाउंट ट्रांसफर CRR शुड बी इक्वल टू द nominal value of the redemption of preference shares. See the format, CRR is equal to nominal value of redemption of preference shares minus fresh issue of shares. After that, capital redemption reserve account is dash must be created out as per the company law on redemption of preference shares. If the preference shares are redeemed by conversion into equity shares, then amount transferred to CRR is equal to nil, because whatever the amount we take for profit, we transfer to CRR, not in conversion. Profit on forfeiture redeemable preference shares is credited to dash account, capital reserve account, because this is not normal profit. This profit occurs once in a lifetime of the company. Therefore, that profit transferred to capital reserve account. After that, balance on capital redemption reserve account is shown under the liability side of the balance sheet under the reserve and surplus. Reserve and surplus के अंदर हम लोग दिखाते हैं. Company cannot issue redeemable preference shares for a period of more than 20 years. These are the legal provision of the Companies Act. Which of the following cannot be utilized for the redemption of preference shares of a company? Security premium on fresh issue of shares. The term divisible profit means profit available for the distribution redemption of preference shares. After that, from which the following account can be transferred be made capital redemption, that is CRR, or redemption of preference shares, that is the general reserve. When the redeemable preference shares are due for redemption, the entries pass A redemption of preference shares capital account debit to preference shares holder. Calculate the amount to be transferred to capital redemption reserve where redeemable preference shares 70,000 at par and new fresh issue 40,000. Very simple, you have to calculate. The following statement is false. A company can issue irredeemable preference shares as per the company's law. Companies Act 2030, company are not allowed to issue irredeemable preference shares. Calculate the amount to be transferred CRR account where redeemable preference shares 1 lakh, redeemable at 5% and new issue of shares 35,000. So we are not concerned with the premium here. So 5 lakh, 1 lakh अपने को क्या करना है, रिडीम करना है. हमने शेयर्स कितने का इशू किया, 35. So 1 lakh minus 35, whatever the answer is coming, that you have to find out. X company has to be redeemed 1000 preference shares of 100 each at 10% premium. हम लोग को कितना शेयर देना है, 1000 देना है, 100 का है, 1 लाख, उसके ऊपर 10% प्रीमियम भी देना है. It issue 5000 equity shares of 10 each, 10% जनरल, 10%, okay, 5 into 10, so कितना में होगा 50,000 और वो 1 लाख minus 50,000, answer will be 50,000. Calculate the amount to be transferred to CRR where the redeemable preference shares 1 lakh and redeemable at par and fresh issue option कितना दिया 30,000. So very simple, 1 lakh minus 30,000, whatever the answer will come. Capital redemption reserve is nominal value of redemption preference share minus fresh issue of share. This is a formula, very important formula. So these are a very important objective. We have to try to understand and do the practice. All the best for your exam. Thank you very much.